How to dilate faster. As you approach your due date, your cervix will probably begin to soften and dilate in preparation for childbirth, even before you start to feel labor pains. Cervical dilation is typically measured either in terms of fingers, the obstetrician, nurse, or other attendant can fit 1, 2, or 3 fingers through the cervix, and then you are fully dilated and ready to deliver your baby, or in terms of centimeters, 10 centimeters is considered fully dilated. First-time mothers often dilate slowly, but there are ways to speed up the process. Want to make labor go faster? Go to step 1 below. Stimulating cervical dilation naturally. Walk as much as possible. Light exercise stimulates uterine contractions, which put pressure on the cervix and encourage it to dilate. When you walk, you will also help the baby descend into the birth canal, exerting the same pressure and leading to faster dilation. If your water breaks, your doctor or midwife may want you to stop walking. Always let your attendant know if you experience a rush of amniotic fluid from the vagina. Keep your bladder empty. A full bladder inhibits contractions, which means less pressure on the cervix and sluggish dilation. Urinate regularly to avoid slowing down the process. Sit on a birth ball. A birth ball is an exercise ball, firm but soft and filled with air. When you sit or squat on one, your pelvic muscles relax, and your cervix dilates more quickly. For maximum comfort and efficiency, sit on the ball with your legs spread apart, and support your back against a bed or a chair. Consider nipple stimulation. When you or your partner stimulate your nipples, either manually or with a breast pump, your body releases a hormone called oxytocin, which will speed up cervical dilation. Try sex. Having an orgasm will also cause your body to release oxytocin. It will, in addition, make your uterus contract. On top of that, chemicals called prostaglandins, which are present in semen, help the cervix dilate. All of this means that for some women, sexual intercourse is the most effective and fun, natural way to dilate the cervix quickly. Relaxed, tense muscles can delay the progress of labor, obstructing the baby's descent and preventing the cervix from dilating. Try to stay emotionally strong and maintain a relaxed state of mind. If you are having trouble relaxing, try taking a warm shower, listening to music, or having someone give you a massage.